Hi everyone and welcome back to ms.craftsalots Lair. I am Barbie. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Beloit, Wisconsin. And today I am here to show you how to make this card. So this one, the paper, the DSP is actually new DSP coming in the catalog for the annual catalog for 2020 to 2021. And let me show you this real quick. This is the sheet that gave me the inspiration for this card. I was talking about this particular sheet of DSP in my unboxing for my pre-order, and I was looking at it and I'm like, it reminds me of snow, like drifting snow. So of course I had to put my idea to practicality and came up with this particular card. So I will show you how I made it real fast here. So our materials today is the Winter Woods stamp set. We're of course using the trees and the Thinking of You this season. Yeah, I understand it is still May, but when inspiration happens, inspiration happens. So cardstock is, the base is the Whisper White cardstock, my normal go-to base of 8.5 by 5.5. And then I have a piece of the DSP that is 4.25 by 2 inches. Now, when I first saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, it's blowing snow. That would be perfect for a winter card. I think technically it's supposed to be either paint or plaster. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It's either paint or plaster on a canvas, but to me it just looked like blowing snow. So hence the winter card coming out in the middle of summer here. Well, at the beginning of summer. So saying that I'm not going to be coloring in, and I'm using this as kind of a simply stamping card, I'm going to be using the Tuxedo Black Memento. If you're going to step it up and do any sponging in the background or any other coloring with water-based ink, like the markers, Stampin' Right markers, or the just using an ink pad, you'd want to go to the Jet Black StazOn. But for this today, we're using the Memento because, well, we can. So I started off with stamping the sentiment up here in the top corner because I wanted to make sure that that was at least put in the right spot. I'm going to flip this over, I think. For some reason, this card base got kind of kitty wampus. I got in a hurry when I was folding it. Bone folder. There we go. That's better. That makes me happier. Alright, let's try this again. So I'm going to stamp my sentiment, hopefully going not upside down, in the top corner here. And then I am going to stamp my trees. This is the easiest way to ink up the big stamps, I think. And put that down kind of almost in the middle, but not quite. Just a little bit above middle. Ta-da! Now, if you got the dies that go with Winter Woods, let me open this up here. If you got these dies, you have this really cool wave one that you could use to cut the wave out on your DSP piece. I'm keeping it simple for you guys for simple stamping, so I'm just going to use my scissors quick and just kind of give it a little bit of a hilly range here. That way it's not exact straight. I think it looks a little bit better. I was also toying with the notion of possibly ripping it. I didn't know how that was going to turn out, so I decided not to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the adhesive on, line this up to the bottom so that's all nice and even, and stick it down obviously too early. Got a little too close. Try it again. There we go. And adhere that down, and then it was a really quick card. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this project, please like, share, subscribe, and watch more. You can find links to my Stampin' Up! Store, blog, dimensions, and the product list in the description below. Until next time.